Hey everyone, for today's video I'll be doing a holiday haul. I'll be showing you some new items in beauty and in skincare and hair care, as well as some PR items. So if you were looking for any last minute gift ideas or any items to check out and try this winter season, then just keep on watching. The first two pieces that I want to show you are from my favorite jewelry brand, which is Luisa. And what I love about them is that they have great craftsmanship and quality, they have affordable pieces, and they have such a wide range to choose from. So if you're looking for something to give your loved one or to treat yourself, then I highly recommend checking them out. And right now they have a sale going on with up to 35% off. So if you want any more details about that, I'll leave that all down below. So the first two pieces, I'll actually be giving this to my niece for Christmas, and I know that she'll love them, and she wanted something with her name on it, so I thought that this would be a really cute option for her. And I actually have this piece for myself and I've been loving wearing it, so I'm happy to be able to give this to her. And it's a lettered necklace and it's in sterling silver, and overall just a really cute piece. And then the next item that I'll be giving her, it'll be nice because we'll be matching as well. I have it in the gold version, and it's the Luisa bracelet. And I love the detail with the little heart at the bottom and the gem in there, so I thought that that was very beautiful. And then I just wanted to show you the pouches that they come in, so just great for storing your jewelry in. And then the next two pieces are bracelets, which I'm wearing, and I love stacking my bracelets. So first is the Danay bracelet, and I love the style of it. It's a soft box chain bracelet, and has some adjustments there as well. And then next is the hairy bracelet, and overall they're just really beautiful pieces. So now moving into some skincare items, I want to show you a few items from Pixi. So if you live in Canada, you can find Pixi products at Shoppers Drug Mart. And this is the In Shower Steam Facial. And this is a self-heating cleansing mask, so that sounds really great. And also comes with a facial cloth as well. And I actually have one of their facial cloths, and it's extremely soft. I'm not sure if this could be purchased by itself. If it can be, I'll confirm that somewhere on the screen because it's amazing. And yeah, that's the first items from Pixi that I want to show you. And then next, from their Skin Treats line, there is Clarity Blemish Stickers, which is just pimple patches, and this has salicylic acid and sisa, I believe, and it also has a clarity mask. And my sister got me into using pimple patches, and they work really great, especially when it's that time of the month for me, so I'll be using it then. And then next, this is their vitamin C serum, and this is brightening, energizing, nourishing, and these are biodegradable capsules. And I haven't used anything like this before, so I hope it works out great for my skin. And then the last thing from Pixi, this is their essentials, so 5 different essentials, and inside is a CC crayon, a mascara, a sheer cheek gel, a lip gloss, and lastly a brow tamer. And then the next items that I want to show you is skincare as well, and it's from Benefits, and it's their professional skincare line. So first is the makeup removing cleansing oil, then there is the pore mask and the foaming cleanser. And what I really love is that you can use this cool brush with it. This is the all-in-one mask wand, and it looks like that. So I thought that that was really cool. You can apply your face mask and then scrub and exfoliate, so there's that. And then from Benefit as well, whenever it's the holidays, they always have such really great gift sets, because I find that the value is great with them. And with this one specifically, I'll be giving this one to my niece. So this one is the Nice List Lashes, and it comes with 4 different mascaras. And then the other gift set that they have is Cheery Cheeks, and this comes with a full-size blush, bronzer, and a highlighter, and it's a highlighter palette. And then moving into some other beauty items from Ardell, they have amazing lashes. This is the Naked Trios and the Naked Extensions, and looks like that. They always have such a great selection to choose from. And then moving into some lip products from EOS. I like their different sets that they have available. One is the 100% natural, and this is a strawberry sorbet. And then the next one is the holiday collection with cranberry joy and Mary Berry. And they also do have skincare as well, and this is their Shea Better hand cream, and this one is in vanilla cashmere. I love anything vanilla, so looking forward to using that. And then next, to keep your feet looking amazing not only in the winter but all year long, is products from Dr. Scholl's, and this is the Ultra Exfoliating Foot Mask, and this comes with 3 different pairs inside here, and this is it's an enriched formula, and it gently peels, softens rough, dry skin. And yeah, this just sounds really good. And then afterwards you can follow up with their foot lotions, and they have an ultra exfoliating and an ultra hydrating one. And then this next item, I'll actually be giving this to my husband to use, but I'll be trying it out as well. This will be great for him for work, and it's just a foot spray, and it's like a probiotic extract formula, and yeah, it's supposed to eliminate even the worst odors, so that sounds really good. I'll be using that for my runners as well. And then next, if you want to pamper yourself with a very luxurious brand, it's the brand Call a Line, and I just love how aesthetically pleasing their products are. The colors are so beautiful. They have such a wide range of products, and they just look really nice just on your countertops. So this one is from the Olive and Bapso range, and it's a body mist and a body lotion. Love the color of it, it's so beautiful. And then next, some other skincare products. I haven't tried this brand before, but it's Keys Soul Care. So this is a serum and a cream, and they have lots of other products as well. And then next, some other skincare products, or more body care, and actually sorry, for face as well, is from CeraVe, and this is developed with dermatologists. So if you may have seen a few videos back, I've been going through, well, luckily it's been getting better, but I was going through an autoimmune disease and having some skin issues, so I'm really interested to see how this is going to work out for me. And the first product is their moisturizing cream, and it says that it moisturizes and helps restore the protective skin barrier, and the ingredients seem really good for that. And then next is their facial moisturizing lotion. This has SPF 30, and this is great for normal to oily skin. And again, with what I was going through, I have to use a lot of sunscreen, so I'm interested to see how this formula will work out for me. And then next, they have a hydrating cream to foam, oops, sorry, let me just put this down, it's sliding, cream to foam cleanser, and they have a moisturizing lotion, and these are both great for normal to dry skin. So if you want a review on any of these products that I showed, or just anything that I show in general, just let me know. And then the next products that I want to show you are hair care items. So I haven't tried this brand before, but it sounds really cool. It's naughty, and it's 97% natural. So this is the Frizz Magic, and this is cruelty free. It's a vegan friendly, and this is an anti-frizz serum. And then next is the Get Steady Grow, and this is a grow tonic. So this is supposed to support healthy hair growth, so that sounds really great as well. And then the last hair care items that I want to show you are, or sorry, there's actually 2 more brands I want to show you, but the second last is from T3, and this is the detail set. So I actually used the fine tooth comb when I was on vacation, since my hair was straight, and it worked out really great for me, because the thing about it is when my hair is starting to get oily, then it kind of clumps together and curls. So then this is just great for separating it. So it comes with 3 different brushes in this set. And then the next item, stay tuned for a video featuring this, because this has worked out amazing for me. This is a T3 Edge, and it's just a heated smoothing and styling brush. And I actually tried a straightening brush from another brand, which is Conair, but the only thing that I didn't like was that the little bristles were starting to come out. So I like that this seems a lot more sturdy, and overall it's just a really great brush. So if you're looking for any hair tools, I would definitely recommend checking out T3, because they have a lot of great options, and the quality is amazing, and they're very aesthetically pleasing as well. Very beautiful design. So the last hair care products that I want to show you are from OGX and Mad Moisture, and their products are super moisturizing, and I just love using it with my natural hair. So this is the Coconut Curls, and it's a shampoo and a conditioner. I'll be giving that to my mom for Christmas. And then this is their Curl Quench Coconut Oil, and that's their leave-in conditioner, but you can also use it as a mask and then just their regular conditioner. And with their mask slash leave-in conditioner, it's super hydrating. It leaves my hair feeling amazing, and a little bit of this goes a very long way, so I highly recommend checking that out. I'll say that this is probably my favorite product from My Moisture in general. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video to be helpful. And if you want any more information about any of the products that I showed, plus if you want to check out Ana Luisa's sale, I'll leave all that information down below, as well as more info on my giveaway. And that's it for today. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!